Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design our own logo in Canva with AI feature. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Canva application on my phone. And first thing first, we can click on these three dots on the top left and select the application menu right here. Choose all apps. And then here you have to search for the logo maker feature. This. Okay, and this is the logo maker we can use to design our logo. Click on this feature and then you can choose either you want to use an existing design or use a new design. And I'm just going to use a new design. Let's say that I want to create Instagram post, so I'm going to select this Instagram post size. Okay, and here we can design our own logo. We can describe the logo that we want, include words, object, colors, and shape. I'm going to type crown with diamond with heart shape. Crown with heart shaped diamond. Okay, once you're done adding the description, you can just click on create and the AI feature will automatically create a logo for you. Okay, and this is the logo I have just created with the logo maker feature on my Canva application. And I'm just going to place this logo right here. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can design our own logo in Canva with AI feature. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.